Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw an awesome-looking horse trailer step by step. Grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the rear wheel. Start by drawing a big, smooth circle close to the bottom left of your paper. Now add another circle inside it. Step 2. Draw the front wheel. Draw a circle a short distance from the rear wheel, just like we did before. 2 wheels down, 2 to go. Step 3. Draw the hubcaps. Add hubcaps to both wheels. These little circles protect the wheel assembly, the hub, from dirt and debris. Pop them right in the center of each wheel. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Add spokes to the wheel. Grab that ruler if you've got one and draw straight lines from the hubcap to the inner circle. Repeat for both wheels. Step 5. Add the body of the horse cart. Start with a rectangle in front of the rear wheel. Erase any part going through the wheel. Add a rear seat and a curved front for the driver's seat. Step 6. Add details to the front seat. Draw a right-angled shape behind the front seat for passengers facing each other. Elevate the driver's seat a bit for a clear view. Take the drawing to the next level, adding background. A rough road, some bushes, clouds, and frame that masterpiece. Get as detailed as you want. Color your drawing. Grab your coloring supplies and bring that horse trailer to life. Let your imagination run wild. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw horse trailer. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.